Just got an exciting delivery from Chekoh. And I wanted to do an unboxing. So this is how it looks like when you receive it. Super nice, like you can actually use these, which is really nice. So the first one is this, and this is a swaddle in it's like a blue grayish color, and the quality is amazing, super stretchy as you can see. And yeah, I'm gonna bring that to the hospital, I think, and it comes with the little logo, super cute. I got the clip carrier, which is really exciting. I've been so excited to receive this one. It comes with a little booklet where it says how you can wear it, how you put it on, and information about it. And here it is. So this is the carrier. It's so beautiful. Just look at this. It's gonna look amazing now in summer. Like, I was even imagining like wearing a white shirt and then wearing this with the baby in it. Oh, it's so nice. You can wear your newborn in it. I have to read a little bit about how you do it and stuff, but yeah, this is it. It's so pretty. I can't wait to put the baby in this and show you guys. How cute. And it comes with a little pocket on the front here too, in case you can put like your phone in it, or let's see. I just wanted to show you. Just wanted to do an unboxing.